Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Close CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you link or connect your Calendly account to your Close CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you want to link your Calendly to Close CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that jumping between two different programs can be time consuming. And if you link your Calendly to Close CRM, you can insert your scheduling link automatically. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Close CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Close CRM, and this is the dashboard. And here on the dashboard, if you want to link your Calendly account, here on the left side, you're going to click on integrations. Once you do that, you want to scroll through until you see the Calendly logo, or you can go ahead and just type in the search bar Calendly. Okay, once you see the logo, go ahead and just click on the Calendly logo. Here, they're going to give you a little bit of information about connecting Calendly to Close CRM, but you want to click right here, connect your Calendly account. Okay, next what you want to do is click here, connect with Calendly. Okay, next, Calendly is going to open up a browser asking if you want to go ahead and connect to Close CRM. If so, click here, connect to Calendly. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that my Calendly scheduling link is already added in here. So now if I want to go ahead and add this scheduling URL into one of my messages, all I'm going to do is go over here to contacts. Once I'm here in contacts, I'm going to go ahead and email one of my contacts. So let's say right here. Okay, so once I'm here in the email, in order to add my scheduling link, all I'm going to need to do is click right here on the little calendar icon and then choose the event type right here. And as you can see, I've added my Calendly link directly into my email in Close CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Calendly account to your Close CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.